All right guys, so it has been days since y'all last seen me, but it's Saturday, August 12th, I think. So I officially want to put my rug down. I have my art pieces. I have everything that I shopped for that day. So let's go ahead and get this living room together, feel a little bit more homey, and then I'll just see how I like it. Yeah, let's go. I'm also so upset because I just dropped my camera messing around with my boyfriend's stupid that glow light thing, because I wanted to set my phone up. I want to do a TikTok while doing this at the same time. I dropped my camera, y'all. I'm so upset because the last time I dropped my camera, if you've been with me for a while, it was in Mexico when I was riding a bicycle to get to a sculpture. But now my camera is like tick, 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 tick. And the last time that happened was when it fell, and it's a Canon G7X2, I think. Yeah, 2. So they can't replace the lens because the camera is so small. I'm gonna be so sad if it stopped working. I'm gonna be so sad because I just have to buy another one, like I just bought this one. So let's cross our fingers. Let's get this thing going. I like it. Okay. So, I'm trying to take these things off, but they're really in there. I got off the back side, but let's keep going at it. After hell and high waters, I finally got it off, and it only came with 2, but the ones I was gonna get at Ross was like $11.99. These are so I don't have a hammer, but I do have these little nails, and I have the thing that comes from the knife set. I'm gonna boom 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 it into the wall, but one, because I need to see how I like it. one of them is higher. Do I want it? Do I want it that close? My wall looks so bare without the big picture here. I'm not gonna lie, these look really small in the background. I'm probably gonna get 2 bigger ones or 3 bigger ones, the ones that I originally wanted, but whatever, it's cute for now. And then put those in my bedroom behind me. But yeah, y'all seen it, so let's see what it looks like when it's up. It's 84 inches, so I wanted it to be hanging on the ground. That's the vibe I'm going for, so let's see. So I'm no interior designer, but I don't know if y'all see my vision. I feel like, oh, I really do want it to be dragging to the ground. I do, but it's an 84 inch. I thought it was supposed to be long enough. That's what my maintenance man said. So that just simply means I need to get something extra long. So I am gonna go back to the store. I'm gonna try to find the longer ones because I do want those. If I find them, then I'll return these. But I like it. You really can't see the thing that is in it, but it's going with everything because that's marble top gold. The little small details in this makes it so beautiful to me. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Let's put this brown blanket on there for a little color, a little brown coloring. Either me, no, it was my boyfriend. He took it from the movies. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I feel like I could still do something back there, maybe even one more art piece. I don't know, don't want to overdo it. Those sheer, look at my rug. I want to use, look at this. Okay, so I actually changed it. I changed the mirror and that from slanting. So this is what it looks like. And I removed all the books. So I am getting a U-shaped couch. I just need to sell this one first. But my rug, because I'm thinking I was going to do beige couch, but now there was one that was white. Because my apartment cabinets are dark, so I want to brighten up in here. This is why I'm going with this color, because my couch is already gray. Everything, I've been grayed out. I'm even selling my bedroom set because it's all gray and the apartment is already dark gray. So, and then once the holidays start to change, switch up my art pieces. I'm going to, and even the pillows, they're gonna be different as well. But I am gonna get a U-shaped couch. If I can't sell this couch, I'm gonna hold on to it because I'm just now really starting to make decent money. And so I've been living in here with just this couch and a small 30-inch TV. It's time that I stand up. And so now I'm making it feel like a home. I want to come home, I want to fall asleep. Well, people fall asleep anyways. They do that anyways. They like it here. But now it feels more homey. So all I need to do is find something to put on my TV stand. everything in due time, because this is the most important part. And so now I finally feel like I'm at home. And I have 2 more of those. They're in my bedroom. But now that it looks bare right here, I might put the other one over here in this corner. But a lamp, a tall lamp needs to go right there and come over. Or I could put the tall lamp right here because it feels bare, even though the mirror is there in that plant. But I'm gonna get rid of those. I probably put it in my bedroom. So yeah, I like it. Now I can relax on my Saturday. I'm gonna go to the mall. I don't need to be buying things. Maybe I'll stay home and just enjoy this. Yeah, maybe that's the plan. No, I'm gonna go outside. I got my carbon monoxide tester, cause baby, they not gonna off me. And I'm going on vacation soon. I'm going on vacation for my friend's birthday. We're going on a birthday trip in a month, a little over a month, to Aruba. So I use this to test my air quality here, and I'm also gonna use it to test it anywhere I go. Duh. In my Amazon storefront, link is gonna be below. Be happy for me, guys. The place is slowly but surely coming together. I need to be comfortable, okay? And I love my rug. Ross, $119. Hold up, wait a minute. Before I go, let me put up my art piece in my bedroom hallway. I saw this in the showroom upstairs and I loved it. Yes, I know, I'm probably gonna need another one, but I'm heading out. But when you just put stuff right in the middle, it does not move. Ow! I love it, I love it, I love it. So now, on my way to the bathroom. Oh, what a beauty. Wow. You like it too? You like it too? This was a productive Saturday. Love it. Let's see what I do next. I almost forgot to sign out. Don't forget to tell a friend to come over to Everything Teash. Until next time, peace.